With Henry Ford's steel, timeless aesthetics, and a clean leather interior, this 36 Ford's basic specs could describe a relatively stock car. But a few minutes of deeper examination reveals choice modifications that start adding up to one impressive ride. The car's smooth body began life as solid Henry Ford steel that was maintained, driven, and paraded for most of its existence. During a gradual ground-up restoration, that old-school metal was stripped, sanded, and kept as intentionally original as possible. That classy fuselage stretches rich maroon two-stage under a maroon cloth top that's finished with a glass backlight. And ultimately, this Deluxe rolls as a fetching classic that walks a fine line between traditional street rod swing and outrageous SoCal flair. Pop the doors and you'll find a clean leather interior that's much nicer than traditional factory fodder. Deep leather seats, which appear to be modern GM units, sport requisite lap belts. In front of those seats, a faux wood dash seats modern air conditioning and stylish Classic Instruments gauges between a trick mirror, a guide traffic light viewer, and modern Pioneer audio. A polished banjo-style steering wheel spins a faux wood rim around a polished tilting column. Keep it simple is a good philosophy when it comes to performance and reliability. And the builders of this clean classic did exactly that by equipping the car with a steady 350 cubic inch Chevrolet small block. Behind the small block, a chrome trim 700 R4 4-speed spins power to a chrome cap 10-bolt axle. The street rod scene is huge, and looking over this Ford, it's not hard to see why. The car's clean, unaltered lines are enough to draw any enthusiast, and the rumble of its stout small block is more than enough to keep folks smiling. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotorcharlotte.com.